So we're installing a child-sized turbo, and I don't mean that it's itty-bitty. I mean it weighs literally as much as my daughter. So we actually just got it back mounted to our exhaust pipes. It's sitting here, oil lines on it. We need to find a turbo guard so we don't suck up small children and wildlife, and finish hooking up the exhaust so we can make bang bang noises and go fast. I need to catch the bottom of it. You lift up. There you go.
Is that like a O2 sensor or something?
It's the white band. It's blue.
Same difference.
No, it's not. O2s are narrow. That's why.
Me and Brad this morning installed the turbo. On the to-do list is pretty much just install the rest of the accessories, the intake, etc. He's currently working on the brakes. I think he was grinding something down earlier to make its new drag wheels over there fit properly.
Trying to get our 60-foot times down on the Sketchy Fox, so we contacted Kelly Aiken. We got a custom valved Viking Crusader shock set up for us, running a 12-inch, 150-pound spring. That's what that one is. But got it all assembled already. We're gonna take the old stuff out, put the new stuff in, get it set on the ground, adjust the height, go from there. Probably still too close.
I've actually seen people cut them before to run a tire, so.
Guess we'll find out, right? tight with the finger. That right there, you can see how tight it is.
Oh boy. That's slammed right there, buddy.
It's not there.
Oh, dude.
It's lower, for sure.
Alive. All right, gotta make some hits before that happens. Let's do it. Riding in the old Foxbody, fresh new turbo, fresh new valve springs, seatbelt in this time. Fresh, a lot of different parts, honestly. Gotta get out before it starts pouring. Dyno is tomorrow. All we need to do is make sure this thing is running good, ready to get strapped to the dyno. I'm gonna have to adjust this boost controller, put this back down to gate. Safety first. Okay, set point 1. 15 going to 0. On gate pressure, which should be around 14. We got Brad behind us.
we took the two-step off. My theory is bumps. That was causing the issues. We're gonna go test it out, try it, see what happens.